Hi, this is Alejandro from Spotahome, Madrid, and I'm about to show you a really cool 3-bedroom apartment. It is located in Calle Tetuan, which is next, like at 30 seconds away from Sol, and you also are really close to Gran Via, Callao, the metro station Sevilla is pretty close to. Tirso de Molina would be like a 5-minute walk. No, probably a little bit more, but when you live here, you can pretty much walk everywhere. It's full of restaurants and really cool bars and stores to go shopping, and it's really great. And let's take a look. Alright, so this is the main door of the apartment. Alright, and as we get in, we have living room right there, okay? And this is the kitchen right here, okay? First of all, look at the floor. I really like it, okay? And it's really nice. And let's take a look at the kitchen. It's fully equipped, all right? And there you have the fridge and microwave. And here you have washing machine with dryer function too, all right? So that's really cool. Sink over here, stove, and let's open some of these cabinets. Here you have the plates and the cutlery and some pans and pots. All right. And up here, that shelf, you have a coffee maker and mugs and glasses. All right. And we have a really long corridor right there with the bedroom number 1, 2, and 3 and the rest of the bathrooms. And here we have this really nice living room. All right, here see this table with 2 chairs, that column right there in the middle, which is really cool. Shelf up here, TV. All right, that's an interior patio view. I'll show you from one of the bedrooms. And there you have a couch. All right, and let's go. Well, you have all over the place air conditioning exits, like central air conditioning, also for heating. So it's really cool. You have them all around. And this first door, it's bedroom number 1. I'll take a look around. All right. So you have 2 single beds here, and one and the other one right there, column right there again, and standalone closet, really nice. And here you have a little chest of drawers, okay, mirror right there. And I'll show you, you have huge windows, like from like that whole part of the wall, windows, okay. And this interior patio view, also you have some strings to dry your clothes, and I believe some racks too. But again, you have washing machine with dryer function. All right, this is bedroom number 2. All right, I really like these columns. They're all over the place, but they're really cool. Double bed here, okay. The wall in green. This again, a little chest of drawers without lamp, and shelf over there, okay. And that's a heating unit, I believe. And same interior patio view. And now we're going to bedroom number 3, which is the only one with a private bathroom, but you also have 2 more bedrooms. All right, so okay, you have a double bed here and 2 single beds over there. All right, shelf up there, air conditioning, standalone closet, and and little nightstand or two chest of drawers with 2 drawers. And this is the private bathroom. All right. Okay. Here we have the sink and mirror, toilet, and shower. All right. And now we're gonna take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. They're pretty similar, not to this one, but to each other. Okay, this one's green, the other one is in red, and all right, sink over there, mirror, toilet, and shower. And this other one, it's the same. Okay, toilet over there, shower, and sink right here. Let's take a look at the shower. All right, and this is a built-in closet or storage room or art closet. And that's it. Well, thanks for watching. This is Alejandro from Spotahome Madrid. I hope you liked it and see you next time. Bye.